So your expectations can fuck up perfectly good days. We all have done it. That event, that day, you've been looking forward to, a wedding, a birthday, any event, and tag someone if you can relate. This might help because you have planned everything in your head. You know exactly how it's gonna happen, and you build up a kind of expectation of that day, and then one thing happened, and then one thing doesn't happen the way you expected it to do, and and suddenly you are disappointed or angry or irritated or even feel let down, and you can't explain it. And that is exactly the pattern you need to catch. Maybe that day didn't go wrong at all. It just didn't follow the script you made up in your head. Nothing outside of you should determine whether you have a good day or a shit day. That is still your job. You are the one that will make the day or the party. So dream big, lose the script, and enjoy your day.